Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. It's Taco Tuesday, and today I'm going to show you how to make these super easy baked tacos, and I'm using my Breville Smart Oven Air and my Oster Electric Skillet. This meal comes together so fast. This is a perfect weeknight meal for us busy parents out there. So it starts off with about 2 to 2.5 pounds of ground beef. You can also use ground chicken or ground turkey. And I'm seasoning that up with some granulated garlic, some hot Mexican style chili powder, and some cumin. Next, I'm adding in some taco seasoning, and I'm just using the measurements on the package. And then I'm adding in a can of Rotel, I believe it's 10 ounces, and then a can of diced green chilies, and I believe that was 7 ounces. So I'm just stirring it all together until it's well combined. And I'll be using these Old El Paso stand and stuff shells. Use these because they stand up. So I am going to place some refried beans on the bottom of the taco shells. This will prevent them from getting soggy in the oven. So I'm just going to spread the beans on all the shells, and then once that is done, it's going to be time to add in the meat. Alright, so once the meat has been added to all the shells, it's time to top it with some shredded cheese. Use whatever cheese you like. If you want, you can shred your own, but since I was in a hurry, I used some pre-shredded cheese in a bag. And then all you do is put your dish in the oven. I put it in at 325, and I just let it bake until the cheese was melted. And here's what it looked like when I pulled it out of the oven. I then topped it with some shredded lettuce, and then I topped it with my family's favorite salsa verde, and then that was it. I just put it on the kitchen table and I let my family have at it. So you can top it with sour cream, avocado, tomato, whatever, but my family keeps it simple, and this is how I served it up. I also did a bean and cheese dip. I did a video on this not too long ago on another Taco Tuesday, so I'll put a link to that video down below in the description box and up above to the right. And this is a super easy dip, and we just eat it with tortilla chips, yummy in the tummy. So if you like this video and this recipe, please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. And as always, thanks so much for watching. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!